How's it, everyone? Today we're over at Sand Hollow Wash. That's in southwestern Utah, and behind me is a man-made lake we've camped at in the past when my son was in Boy Scouts. Beautiful place. We got here just in time. The sun is peeking out, and I'm gonna fly the drone around so I can check out the lake, and I'm gonna rotate slowly to my right because there's some beautiful red sand mixed in with the orange sand, and you'll get a chance to appreciate that from the air. Okay folks, if you hear noise in the background, that's because we're near a major road and there's going to be some off-roading vehicles nearby. So if you don't mind the background noise, we'll just take off and ignore them. I'll do a flyby over the lake. Start there and just kind of meander around. Look at the orange sand. I love that color. And because it's early December, trees still have some leaves on them. Got a little bit of yellow still to go before they drop. And look at that lake view. I used to love waking up and seeing that lake shimmering, some street lights in the background in the distance, and watch the sun gradually change the lake color throughout the day. Very nice. So gorgeous. Start to swing around to the left a little bit. Part of my raspy voice. It's a little dry today. You can rent boats and jet skis in summer. It's a little too chilly to do that now. Outside temperature is about 56 as I recall from the car thermometer. Water temperature is probably just as cold. And look at those red rocks in the distance. Swing back more to the left and fly around where the ATV folks tend to go. Here's the boat launch coming up on the left. Over the camera a little bit. You can swing around some more. When it gets incredibly windy, this sand is so fine, it's almost like snow. I'm glad I don't have to maintain this facility when it does get windy, because then you have to bring in basically sand plows to plow the roads to keep them clear. Here's that new highway I was mentioning. This hill in front of me slopes up gradually and then turns into a sharp cliff about half a mile, 3/4 of a mile away. And at the bottom of the cliff, there are some dinosaur tracks. You don't need four-wheel drive to get there, but it's a very sandy road, so I'm not going to do that today. There we are, coming into frame. There's the sandy area where all the ATVs like to just run around and go nuts in. Not much more to describe about this area. I just like the color of the sand and the fact that it makes a great camping spot. I'll try to climb a little higher, get a little closer to these rocks. The only problem with a gradually sloping hill is that the drone's height above ground gets gradually lower unless I'm taking precautions. Can't get much higher than this. Yep, and there's the software telling me I'm too high. But look at those rocks, wow. Never actually driven in this area before. Let's slow down and just do a gradual loop. Aim the camera down a little bit. There we go. starting to get a little low. And I'll start dropping in altitude a little bit as I bring the drone back to the parking lot. Slow down so I don't overshoot the parking lot. There it is. What do you think of Sand Hollow Wash, Dilcia, now that she's in microphone range?
Nice.
Do you miss not having camped out here with the Boy Scouts? No.
Only you didn't get my
Well, I know, but do you miss the fact that you didn't have the chance? You should have came when we told you to. That's all right. Time to slow down. Spot the drone. I can't hear it. So the tricky part. Recovery. See Dilcia. There it is. All right, bring it up here. Rotate. Descend. All right, everyone. Well, that's our short video of Sand Hollow Wash. I hope you enjoyed it. Try and get another video out here before too much longer. Still got to recover my eyes from recent surgery here, so I can't afford to fly too often. But in the meantime, get outdoors. There's a lot to do out there. Mahalo. Check you next time.